Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the types of entrepreneurship. So these are the different types of entrepreneurship like small business entrepreneurship, scalable startup entrepreneurship, large company entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship. So there are four types of entrepreneurship: small business entrepreneurship, scalable startup entrepreneurship, large company entrepreneurship, and social entrepreneurship. First, let us discuss about the small business entrepreneurship. So, these types of businesses are an hairdresser, grocery store, travel agent, consultant, carpenter, plumber, electrician, and so on. These people they run or own their own businesses and they hire family members or local employees. For them, the profit would be able to feed their family and not making 100 million businesses or taking over in an industry. They are known as a small business entrepreneurship. The second type is scalable startup entrepreneurship. This startup entrepreneur, they starts a business knowing that their vision can change the world. Their goal is to find out the repeatable and scalable business model. The Facebook, Instagram, and online shopping for electronics are the few examples of the scalable startup businesses. So, if you see the examples like Facebook, Instagram, and online shopping for electronics, these are the few examples of scalable startup entrepreneurship. The third type is large company entrepreneurship. So the concept of this type of entrepreneurship, they refer to the advancement of new opportunities and ideas within larger and already established companies. This development is seen later on in its own life of a company. In simple language, if you say, it means the creation of new business within the present organization. Say, for example, Geo and Asian Paint. They are the best example for large company entrepreneurship. The next type is social entrepreneurship. This type of entrepreneurship focuses on producing the products and services that resolve social needs and problems. Their only motto and goal is to work for society and not to make any profits. In case of social entrepreneurship, it is the work of a social entrepreneur. A social entrepreneur is someone who recognizes a social problem and they use the entrepreneurial principles in order to organize, create, and manage a venture in order to make social changes. Whereas a business enterprise typically they measure the performance in profit and return. A social entrepreneur assesses the success in terms of the impact he has on the society. So the examples for social entrepreneurship will be like Dr. Govindappa Venkataswamy. He is the type of organization he owns is a trust. The location, if you see, it is in Madurai, where is in India. And the website what he has is www.aravind.org. The mission of the company is making medical technology and healthcare services accessible, affordable, and financially self-assisting, sustaining. And this was founded in 1976 by Dr. G. Venkatasamy. The Aravind Eye Care System today is the largest and most productive eye care facility in the world. So this is the best example for social entrepreneurship, that is Aravind Eye Care Hospital. Now let us discuss about the difference between the entrepreneur and intrapreneur. Entrepreneur refers to a person who set up his own business with a new idea or concept, whereas intrapreneur they refer to an employee of the organization who is in charge of undertaking the innovations in products, services, and processes. The intrapreneurs they include any persons within the company that applies the entrepreneurial skills, vision, and forward thinking into the role that they have in the company. One of the big benefits of becoming an intrapreneur is that it allows you to form new ideas, products, and business goals without taking on the risk that come with starting a new business as an entrepreneur, such as no income, limited team, lack of time, unpredictable future, and so on. Now, if you look at the meaning of an entrepreneur, entrepreneur refers to a person who set up their own business with a new idea or concept. Whereas an intrapreneur refers to an employee of the organization who is in charge of undertaking the innovation in products, services, and processes. The approach, if you see, in case of entrepreneur, they are initiatives, whereas in case of intrapreneur, they are restorative. The resources what they use are they use own resources as an entrepreneur. Whereas in case of intrapreneur, they use the resources that is provided by the company. Thank you.